This lunch break is gonna take all afternoon. After night, tomorrow morning, I know there'll be hell to pay. Hey, but that's alright. I ain't had a day off now in over a year. My Jamaican J-Bason's gonna start right here. If the phone's for me, you can tell them I'll just stay away. Something tall and strong, and get a hurricane before I go sing. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I don't know what the time is in the square. Okay, let's try this one. Hey brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. Hey sister, though the water's sweet, but blood is thicker.
Send my love down the Baton Rouge. Hurry up, won't you put it on the line? Talk to the girls the one more time, yeah. Oh shit, here we go. Hello, Samantha dear, I hope you're feeling fine. You don't want me long till I'm with you all the time, but until then, I'm not even right down my last dime. Oh,
I've never actually played this song live before, so give me a break if I stuff it up, because I probably will. freight train leaving town, not knowing where I'm bound. No one to change my mind but mama tried. What a lonely rebel child, from a family making miles. I'm a machine to know my name's soul. Despite all my Sunday learning, towards the back kept on turning, till mama couldn't hold me anymore. After 21 in prison, looking like a back road, no one was here to ride. Mama tried, mama tried, mama tried to make me better, but it's bleeding out at night. And leaves only me to blame was mama. Since the day we were born, straight followed the hills. Someday the morning again, some loud hill. Pretty boy, starting the good, round the hill. Sunday's the morning again, follow the hill. Yeah, Mickey boy. Never made a wrong. Beats all you ever saw, get in trouble with me, Lord, since the day we were born. Straight the only way to go home. 1, 2, 3, just a little bit more than all. But that's just a little bit more than all in life. Well, Jimmy,
un segundo, por favor, porque esta noche se lo dedicamos a la Emily, ¿vale? Es un concierto que ya no estará más ni en bailes, ni en conciertos, ni en ningún sitio. Un aplauso para el Grande, por favor.
You are around me, everything's alright. Yeah, love surrounds me. I'm like darkness into light. And I feel like I'm walking, telling stories of the ground. There ain't no use in calling to me. I'm never coming down. I'm higher than high, I'm free as a bird. You are my sky, I'm so in love, I knew that I would. You make me feel good, yeah, yeah. He's in the jailhouse now. He's in the jailhouse now. I told him once or twice, quit playing cards and shooting dice. He's in the jailhouse now. Well, I had a friend named Rambling Bob. He used to steal, gamble and rob. He thought he was the smartest guy in town. But I found out last Monday, Bob got locked up Sunday. They got him in the jailhouse way downtown. He's in the jailhouse now. He's in the jailhouse now. I told him once or twice, quit playing cards and shooting dice. He's in the jailhouse now. Yeah, two of a kind, working on the full house. together, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, the two of kind working on a full house. We've been in a room on the strip for 10 years in Vegas. Every night she looks in the mirror like she only ages. She's been reading about national on the records, everybody buying. Says I'm a simple girl myself, I grew up on the